Did you ever wonder why storks are often associated with delivering babies? It's a question that has puzzled many for generations. Storks, these elegant, long-legged creatures, are not just fascinating in their natural behavior, but they also hold a unique place in our cultural narratives. One of the most pervasive myths is that storks deliver babies. Now you may ask, where did this peculiar idea come from? Well, it's believed to have originated in Northern Europe during the Middle Ages. Storks were seen migrating to these regions around spring, coinciding with an increase in births, sparking the association. Additionally, storks often build nests on rooftops, a behavior that might have led our ancestors to imagine these birds dropping off newborns from the heavens above. From ancient folklore to modern-day children's stories, storks have been portrayed as symbols of good fortune and new beginnings. Now let's dive deeper into the actual life of a stork, beyond myths and legends. Did you know there are 19 different species of storks in the world? Each of these species has its unique characteristics, habitats, and behaviors, painting a vibrant picture of biodiversity and adaptation. Let's embark on a journey around the globe, unveiling the diversity of storks. We'll start with the well-known white stork, a European native, recognized by its white plumage and long red beak and legs. These storks prefer open farmland and wetland areas, where they can forage for their diet of insects, fish, amphibians, and small mammals. Next we have the marabou stork, a peculiar-looking species native to Africa. They are known for their almost bald, pinkish head and neck, contrasted against their black body feathers. They are scavengers, feeding mainly on carrion, and can often be seen near vultures. Moving to Asia, we find the black-necked stork, the only stork species found in Australia. They are known for their striking black and white body, a glossy dark green and purple neck, and a massive black bill. They prefer freshwater habitats and feed on a variety of aquatic animals. In the Americas, we find the wood stork, the only stork species native to North America. They have a distinctive bald, scaly head and a long, thick bill. They are wading birds, preferring swamps, marshes, and lagoons, where they feed on fish and crustaceans. Now let's jet off to South America, where we encounter the jabiru, the tallest flying bird in South and Central America. They have a black head and neck, contrasting with their otherwise white feathers. They are primarily fish eaters, but will also consume insects, amphibians, and small mammals. Despite their differences, all stork species share some common characteristics. They are large, long-legged, and long-necked wading birds. They have strong, heavy bills and are mute, communicating mainly through bill clattering and body language. Isn't it fascinating how diverse and widespread these creatures are? Each species has found its niche, adapting to its environment and dietary needs, showcasing the remarkable adaptability and diversity of life on Earth. Storks have a unique lifestyle, you know. They're mostly silent, but their body language speaks volumes. Diving right into their lifestyle, storks are known for their migratory patterns. With the changing seasons, these birds embark on long, strenuous journeys, covering thousands of miles. They migrate from Europe and Asia during the winter season to warmer regions of Africa and India. These trips aren't a weekend getaway. They can last for months. Talk about a life on the wing. Their diet is as versatile as their travel plans. Storks are omnivores, feasting on everything from insects, fish, amphibians, to small mammals and birds. They're not picky eaters, and their broad diet is a testament to their adaptability. They use their long, sharp beaks like a precision tool, striking swiftly to catch their prey. But wait, there's more to these birds than just migration and meals. Storks have complex social behaviors. They are monogamous, sticking with one partner for life. Their courtship rituals are a sight to behold, involving elaborate dances and clattering of their beaks. Nesting is a community affair, with storks building large nests that they return to year after year. Some nests have been reported to be used continuously for dozens of years. Storks are also great parents. Both the male and female share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and feeding their young. They stand guard over their chicks, protecting them from predators. It's a team effort in the truest sense. Despite their silence, storks are quite expressive. They communicate through body language. A common sight is to see storks throwing their heads back and clapping their beaks, creating a loud, rhythmic clatter. This display is a crucial part of their social interaction, used in everything from courtship to asserting dominance. The silent yet expressive storks sure have an intriguing lifestyle, don't they? Storks are more than just elegant creatures. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem. These long-legged birds have a significant job to do, one that goes beyond their delightful appearance and fascinating behavior. To begin with, Storks are fantastic pest controllers. They feed on a variety of small creatures such as insects, rodents, and reptiles that can be harmful to crops and human health. By keeping these populations in check, storks help to maintain a balance in the ecosystem and indirectly contribute to our own well-being. Imagine, if you will, a world without these natural pest controllers. Our lives would be overrun by pests, leading to crop damage and possible disease outbreaks. Moreover, storks play an essential role as bioindicators, particularly in wetland ecosystems. By observing the health and behavior of stork populations, scientists can gather valuable information about the overall health of the wetlands. For instance, a decline in stork numbers could indicate issues such as water pollution, habitat degradation, or a decrease in the population of their prey. Storks' nesting habits also contribute to biodiversity. Their large nests, often reused year after year, provide homes for various other species. Smaller birds, mammals, and even reptiles are known to cohabit in these nests, which become a mini ecosystem in their own right. Furthermore, storks play a part in nutrient cycling. As they feed in water bodies and defecate on land, they transfer nutrients from aquatic to terrestrial ecosystems. This nutrient movement is crucial for the fertility of soils, thus supporting plant growth and the overall productivity of the ecosystem. Lastly, storks contribute to the aesthetic value of our natural landscapes. Their majestic flights, rhythmic dances, and gentle demeanor are a joy to watch and have inspired countless stories, artworks, and traditions across cultures. So, storks are not just an integral part of nature's beauty, they are also vital for maintaining the balance in our ecosystem. Despite their significance, storks face numerous threats. Many of these threats are, unfortunately, a result of human activity. One of the most pressing challenges for storks is habitat loss. Urbanization, agriculture, and deforestation are eating away at the spaces where these birds can live and breed. Wetlands, which are home to many stork species, are among the most threatened habitats in the world. As these areas disappear, storks are left with fewer places to hunt and nest, putting their survival at risk. Pollution, too, is a significant threat to storks. Whether it's chemical runoff from farms, plastic litter, or oil spills, pollution can contaminate the water and land where storks feed. This not only reduces their food sources, but can also lead to poisoning and disease among stork populations. Hunting, both for sport and for the illegal wildlife trade, is another danger. Despite legal protections in many areas, storks are still hunted for their feathers, meat, and even for their eggs. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are dedicated conservation efforts happening around the world to protect storks and their habitats. These efforts are multifaceted, addressing not just the direct threats to storks, but also the underlying issues that cause them. Conservationists are working to protect and restore stork habitats, creating safe spaces for these birds to live and breed. They're also tackling pollution through cleanup efforts and by pushing for stronger environmental regulations. Education plays a key role too. By raising awareness about the importance of storks and the threats they face, conservationists hope to inspire action and change attitudes towards these birds. Finally, there are efforts to crack down on illegal hunting through stronger enforcement of wildlife laws and by providing alternative livelihoods to communities that rely on hunting. In the end, the survival of storks is a shared responsibility. They are a vital part of our world's ecosystems, and their loss would be felt by all. It's up to us to ensure that future generations also get to witness the grace and beauty of storks. We've covered quite a lot about storks today, haven't we? We started off by delving into the realm of these mysterious birds, introducing their various species, each unique and captivating in its own right. From the elegant white stork to the vibrant painted stork, their diversity is truly a sight to behold. We then moved on to understanding the lifestyle of storks. These birds aren't just wanderers, they are skilled hunters, nurturing parents, and long-distance migrants. Their role in the ecosystem? Crucial. They help maintain the balance by controlling pests and cleaning up carcasses, playing an integral part in the circle of life. But storks face challenges too. Habitat destruction, climate change, and human activities pose threats to their survival. Yet hope is not lost. Conservation efforts are in place, striving to protect and preserve these magnificent birds for future generations to admire. Next time you see a stork, remember there's more to them than just a symbol of childbirth. They are fascinating creatures that play a vital role in our world.